Hey everybody, this is Jim King with King Piers. I'm out here in Lawrence, Kansas at an apartment complex. This is a project that we did a few months ago, was asked to bid on it. This year has been really increased percentage-wise of our commercial projects. Our methodology is starting to get known of people throughout the Midwest, and we're selling piers in Cincinnati, Ohio, and we're really growing, and I'm excited about that. But this project right here, it's a 19 King Pier job. We've got 19 piers going in. We're going to have about 10 of them going on the inside, about 9 of them going on the outside. This wall right here is leaning in slightly, so after we pier it, we'll come in and saw cut the floor, run our 6x6 H-beam, spaced about every 6 foot apart on the inside, and that will wrap up this job. So stay tuned as we'll get more video and footage on this project, but we're just out here showing everybody what we're going to be doing, getting prepared, and so stay tuned for more videos on this project in Lawrence, Kansas, King Piers. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-288-4373. You go to our Facebook page, look at all of our current and past videos, give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. YouTube, please get on there, check our videos out. If you ever have a foundation issue and you are a subscriber to our King Piers page on YouTube, you will get huge discounts, saving you thousands of dollars, no matter where you live. So give us a call, 816-288-4373 or www.kingpiers.com.